Getting it. Oh my God.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Just finished eating. There's like a cute little shop over there. Getting it. I'm gonna probably get this. I'm gonna get this for my car. Oh, I can't use that. Girl, cause we were just talking about that too. I was just saying how I wanted to get one of these. Yeah. Mine broke on the cruise, y'all. They're getting something else. So cute. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Well, he's already on the mission, guys. He's already on a mission. Alright, hold on, let me put this in my pocket. A little crazy. I wouldn't recommend this to any tourists at all, by the way. Don't say too much. I'm gonna go over here. Hi. Look at him. I'm scared. Yo, I got the wrong shoes for this. Oh my gosh. It's a cat. Yeah, ooh, it's sassy looking. Tower, guys. I'm not gonna get too close. Oh, it's coming with us. Never mind. I know. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Literally what I've needed for the past 6 months. When I haven't been home. I'm finally home, guys. We got a new pet. What we're gonna name him? His name is Perrito. But he's not a dog. Perrito, guys. No, actually Papito. Yeah, guys, look at me, Papito. It's like a slug. I've never seen one in person. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. The Vicks all over me, guys, but look at the sunset. We're on the beach. This is literally the same beach me and my sister were at, like literally 6 months ago, y'all, in my other video. This is mad cute.
told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage.
Guys, it's 8:53. We left the family because they're taking too long. We're gonna get off the ship.
He will give you everything. Come and take it. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.
We were like literally, me and Yvette were the first people to come off the boat. As soon as they made the announcement, we went downstairs.
As I go down this road, can't keep going back to what I used to know.
God, look at hello. He got the little fan.
Gritty.
Yeah, do the gritty. Go to the gritty.
Gritty.
Hey,
You gotta do the gritty down there as fast as we can.
Go fast, go fast. Okay, let me see. Go do the gritty. Go to the gritty. Do the gritty. Do the gritty. You see? Now go like that. Perfect. See, you got it.
Hey, what is up, my guy?